So
they have to show us now. All of them seeking to step in his shoes. Those shoes are very big. If your feet are not big, you cannot wear them. So while they are campaigning, they should tell us how they are going to continue with this law. Because if you are lily-hearted, you cannot do it. You must have a big heart to do what His Excellency is doing. He needs support, not verbal support, not just prayers. We should support him physically by our actions, by talking to our constituents, by going out there and mobilizing people.
Women have assembled here today to support the position of the Benue State government. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Benue State, Dr. Samuel Ortom, over the continuous killing of the Benue sons and daughters. We are here to condemn in totality the killings that the Fulani headsmen have continued to kill, and we are calling on the federal government. We are calling on the federal government, led by President Muhammadu Buhari, to stop the killing in Benue State. Every other state, some other states in the northern region are also supporting the ban on open grazing. For instance, Zamfara State, he was on television a few days ago. Sokoto State have lent their voices. Katsina State have also lent their voices. They are also condemning and stopping the carriage of animals in vehicles. That is the extent, because this is what the headsmen are holding on to, continue to penetrate and kill people. We are saying no to the killing of Benue sons. We are asking the federal government to put a stop to it and to release all that he has promised Benue State to support, and to return the IDPs back to their homes for them to have a fulfilled life.
We condemn in all ramifications what is going on in Benue State. As a state, we deserve security. We deserve happiness. We deserve governance. And if our governor doesn't have the rest of mind to look at the problems and govern this state, I don't think it is fair. And we think that everybody has their own jurisdiction. And this is where we voted him in power, and we are all supporting him in all ramifications so that he can stand and do exactly what he was voted for. He is to protect life and property and to protect the state. And we are standing here to say unequivocally that we are solidly behind our governor, Samuel Ortom.
we call on you to redress your steps. You should be fighting that the 10 billion promise for Benue State should come here, and it's not coming. It's not released. That is what we expect of you. For whom much has been given, much is what? Expected. We've given you a lot in schools, the present government, building schools in Benue State. If we are not alive, can we attend schools? No! So we want to be alive, and the governor is fighting for our life. Yes.
And we are protecting him back. Yes. When you stand behind the governor, yes, we shall support the governor. Yes. Our second point we have come here to make today. They may be making utterances and statements to tarnish his political career, but that is just the beginning. Mr. Governor will not just stop as the governor of the state. Yes. The governor, by God's grace, will one day lead this country. Yes. And so we are going to affirm our support.
I'm not going to be intimidated. Yes. I remain committed. You elected me in 2015 and in 2019. Against all odds, you elected me. So I remain committed to you. And so I want to assure you, nobody is going to tamper with the desire of Benue people. The prohibition of open grazing has come to stay. And no one will intimidate us from rescinding that decision. In Benue State, everybody is free, whether you're a Muslim or you're a Christian, you're an atheist, you're a pagan, you're free to operate in Benue State. Whether you're a Fulani man, Hausa man, Idoma man, Igbo man, or Yoruba man, you're free to operate here in Benue State without harassment as long as you obey the laws of our land. So that is it. Don't be afraid. There is no Ruga in Benue State. There is no cattle colony in Benue State. There is no open grazing in Benue State. There is no grazing reserve in Benue State. There is no 108 settlement center in Benue State. There is no cattle route in Benue State. And so I want to assure you that I remain committed to you, and I'm grateful for all of you for always praying for me, for always standing with me. And by the grace of God, we shall overcome. Because we seek for justice, equity, and fairness. Those people who criticize me, including our honorable minister, I want him to defend those things that are raised against the presidency. Let them open up and tell us which one is wrong.